This is a rare opportunity to purchase a beautiful single-story home for under $500,000 in all of the Las Vegas, Henderson area. Don't go anywhere. Today we're here at Reserves at Caspian Bay by KB Home. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is November 8, 2025, and today we're here at Reserves at Caspian Bay by KB Homes. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, we're here all the way in the southeast corner of Las Vegas. The nearest cross streets is going to be Boulder Highway and Horizon, okay? So we're pretty close to Lake Mead. We're pretty close to Boulder Highway. We're about 25-minute drive, no traffic to the airport, and about 25-30 minutes away from the Strip. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 5 different floor plans here. Now, the first floor plans that you're seeing, they range from 1644 all the way up to 2242. Those are all going to be single-story floor plans. The only 2-story floor plan is going to be that large one, 3,066 square feet, okay? As far as the base prices go, they're going to range all the way from $427,990 all the way up to $541,790. Now, when you're looking at base price, just know that if you're trying to figure out your total price, you have to take your base price, you have to add the lot premium, and you have to have your upgrades, okay? So the lot premiums here are going to range from about $11,000 to $90,000, okay? $90,000 is going to be for their massive lots. I would say the majority of the lot premiums here are going to be from about $11,000 to $30,000, okay? Now, as far as options is concerned, I would think most buyers are putting in about 10% of the base price in options, okay? So that's how you figure out your total price. You got your base price plus your lot premium plus your upgrades. As far as the lot square footage, most of these lots are going to be on 4,890 square feet lots. They're going to range from the 4,890 to about 5,500. They have a few selected lots here that are going to be about 10,000 square feet. So not too many of those, but those ones are obviously going to be the command like the higher lot premiums, okay? Altogether, there's about 72 homes in this specific community, the Reserves at Caspian Bay. And then we have the HOA fees. HOA fees is pretty minimal, which is great. It's only going to be $70 a month. Oh, one last thing, the way KB operates is they do have a few quick move-in homes here, but usually most of their buyers are actually picking their lots, picking their floor plans, and choosing other options. So that's what KB normally focuses on. And yeah, that's all I got for you. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome everyone to the plan 1901. Now this is going to be a single story floor plan, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price as of today is $460,690. Now, if you're going to build from dirt, which I feel like most of their buyers are doing, you have a choice between 3 different elevations you could choose from. Now, depending on that elevation, that's going to determine your base price. Okay, so what the elevation is it's just how the exterior looks. So for example, you have some brick right here. Some elevations don't have that, but sometimes the elevations could also change your window placements as well. Okay, so it looks like again, and as of today, because prices are subject to change, the base prices are going to be like $460. I see one at $461 and one at $459, so they're pretty close to each other. Now, when you move in, the paver driveway will be included with that base price. You're going to have desert landscaping as well. The only thing that you would have to do as far as landscaping goes is landscape your backyard, which you have about 6 months to a year to do after you move into your house. So yeah, let's check out the house. I could already tell they did the upgrade to the 9-foot ceiling because we have an 8-foot door right here. So welcome in. Yeah, so the upgrade to the 9-foot ceiling is something that I definitely would recommend if it fits your budget. It's better for resale purposes. Okay, so right over here, we're gonna check out the first bedroom. Now this is gonna be in the front of the house, as you can see. Now all bedrooms, as far as like any type of lights, they're not gonna include anything in the ceiling, so you have to just kind of add it on. So what I see most buyers do is add in a pre-wire for the ceiling fan, so that at least they can buy their ceiling fan and have a light. Okay. So we do have that one window right here. You're gonna have a coat closet. I mean, not a coat closet, just your standard closet. Also too, this type of door is standard. Okay, so you have the 2-panel door. This is optional right here, this black fixture, if you want to do that. This is going to be your full bath. Okay, so the shower tub, this is going to be standard. The black hardware is going to be optional. Looks like we do have the standard toilet. Again, if you want to save money too, this is the quartz countertop that is included. So a lot of buyers, I see, if they're trying to save some money, they'll stick with the included quartz. We got the undermount sink, the optional black faucet. You also have another optional upgrade you can do. You can add another sink right there. Okay, so usually for KB homes, standard, you're gonna have like this flat paint all throughout the house, and then you're gonna have like a semi-gloss or a eggshell finish in the wet areas. Okay, this is gonna be your linen closet. So as you can see, we have this brown vinyl plank. Now, most buyers do upgrade their flooring. They'll remove the carpet pretty much everywhere and keep it in the bedrooms. Okay, so we do have a den right here. Now, I believe you can actually change this into a bedroom. If this was a bedroom, I think the door would be on this side. It'd be straight across from that door. Okay. So right over here, you're gonna have your door to your garage. And then you're gonna have your bedroom. Okay, so this one has a closet right here. Okay, so this will be your powder room, powder still sink. And you have your toilet. Okay, coat closet right here. So this is going to be your main living area. So as you can see, you have your living room, dining room, and kitchen. We got the optional white cabinets. As far as the appliances that you could see here, that is all standard. As far as like the oven, the microwave, and the dishwasher. The refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included. But if you're building from ground up, you can add that to the list, so that way it is here when you move in. Okay, soft close cabinets. Again, these are upgraded 42-inch cabinets. Okay, we also have like the optional quartz countertop. There's plenty of space here. Got the dishwasher as well. Got the optional stainless steel single basin sink. Okay, black faucet. Let's take a look at the pantry. All right, so I mean, decent sized pantry. Okay. House has some good flow to it. Looks like we also have the upgraded slider. Another option I'd recommend doing. Looks like they also went with a covered patio as well. Okay, so that is upgraded. We'll take a look. So if you do get the covered patio, you're immediately going to have the pavers underneath it, but everything else would be dirt. And again, you have about 6 months to a year after you close on the house to landscape your backyard. If you're looking to save some money, I would put a bunch of rocks like this, because that'll keep costs minimal. Okay. Nice. This be a great place to eat right here. So we're gonna head to the primary bedroom. And of course, you're gonna have the laundry room right next to the primary bedroom. Easy access. Washer and dryer is not included. Looks like you'll have your smart panel box right here. That's where you connect your internet router and your modem. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. Now, I do believe there's an option to add a slider here, but in case you're curious, just reach out to me. I will definitely find out. But yeah, guys, if you are watching this video as well, and you're thinking about going to a new build community just to check it out, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text, reach out to me. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. But if you have a realtor, make sure you go with your realtor. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, builder agent's going to ask for your information. Once they have your information, they're going to log you in the system as having no representation. Now, the builders look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So, I mean, our job is simple. We're trying to get you the best deal. We're trying to make sure this process is as smooth as possible. And plus, if you're worried about paying realtor fees, I've never charged any of my buyers. I collect it on the builder's end from the builder side, or if it's resale homes, I could always get it from the seller side. So definitely, it's a win-win scenario for you. So we got the toilet room. Looks like they went with the upgraded shower right here. Okay, you have your dual sink. Okay, good size walk-in closet. All right, and that wraps it up for the plan 1901. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, if you have any questions or if you need help, guys, reach out to me. Info's going to be description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.